Luca, Ms. Janelle and Otis's assistant, and today we are doing home crafts with the DeSoto Public Library. And today's craft is paper marbling. It's super simple and easy. Ignore the hole, that paper came like that. And yeah, so let's get started. So first off, let's go over our materials. You're gonna need a tray and some wax paper. If you don't have a tray, you can just use the wax paper by itself. But we have the tray just so in case, for our next material, the shaving cream, because if you don't know how to use shaving cream, you might get all over the place. And that's what the tray is for. And we also got some food coloring. That's how we're gonna do the little marbling effect. I already got mine in these droppers for like easier dropping. And oh yeah, you're gonna need popsicle sticks. We're gonna use this to stir the shaving cream and the food coloring. Don't eat the shaving cream, by the way, it's not whipped cream. Oh, and last but not least, a white piece of paper. Really any color will work, but it shows up best on white paper. Okay, so first grab your shaving cream and shake it. If you don't know where to get shaving cream, ask your mom or dad or an older sibling who's just learning how to shave. They probably have some. And go ahead and just spray a good amount, kind of like in a square. Now it'll rise, so don't spray too much like I did. And next we're gonna get our food coloring. So this is orange. We're just gonna drop it all over the place. And then we're gonna add some purple. That one just came out all over the place. You don't have to use these colors. You can use whatever colors you want. But I just think these colors look neat together. Kind of like a galaxy. Or like flowers or something. And yeah, okay, now that we got all our colors dropped, gonna get a popsicle stick and just start stirring them together, kind of like this. Now, some word of advice, you don't want to over stir it because that could turn it all gray or even brown. And well, if you just want it gray, you could probably like paint a piece of white paper gray. And okay, that looks good enough. So we're gonna grab our white sheet of paper, and this next step is pretty simple. And you just squish it in there. Just go ahead and squish it in there. Get the paper in there real good. And lift it up. You might have to hold the wax paper down because you might want to squeegee off with the other stuff. And using the same popsicle stick, or you have more than one. For this one, I have like a bunch, so I'm just gonna wipe it off like that. And yeah, look, it's all tie-dye and colory. It's all colored tie-dye differently. It's all marbled. It's not tie-dye, it's marble. And yeah, so you have a marble paper craft. See, so we have like some green, purple, blues. It's real nice. Who knows, maybe it once belonged to someone who wore paper clothes, but then they could finally afford real clothes, so they just left it alone. And yeah, you can do it as many times as you want. You can always add more colors too. And it doesn't have to be a square. It can be like this triangle, for example. We're just gonna dump it in there, repeat the process, pull it off, and wipe it off. And yeah, so this one kind of worked too. Probably should have pushed it in there some more, but yeah, it's real good. You can always like lay them on top of each other too. And now we have like a triangle, square, pocket person. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Hope y'all have a good day.